Hi everyone, in today's Instagram video, I want to show you how to upload videos to IGTV. And Instagram recently changed their whole design and the way this works, so I wanted to update this video for you. Now, there are three different ways you could post a video to IGTV. The first way is just from your phone on the Instagram app. This is probably the easiest way, but it really depends on how you created your IGTV video. The second option is using the IGTV app. That works very much like the first option I'm going to show you. But the third option that I prefer is using a computer and using Instagram Creator Studio. Because using the web and the computer lets you upload videos up to an hour long. Using your mobile device limits your videos to 15 minutes. And in both situations, your video has to be longer than 1 minute. Videos shorter than 1 minute can't go on IGTV. They have to go to Instagram feed, Instagram story, or Instagram reel. So let me show you how to post on IGTV from your phone first. Then I'll jump on the computer and show you Instagram Creator Studio and how to do it there. On your phone, log into your account on your Instagram, go to your profile page and press the plus sign on top. And this new layout lets you post IGTV videos right from here. So I'll press IGTV video here. This is another Instagram videos that I'm trying to post on IGTV. I'm gonna press next on top and I should choose a cover here that represents what I'm talking about. So I could scroll down here and choose a cover photo that represents this video. Or I could add that from my camera roll if I created a different thumbnail cover for this video. In this case, I'm gonna choose it from the actual video and I'm gonna press next on top. And I'm gonna give it a title and description and add my hashtags and all the other things I talk about in different videos to make sure your Instagram video could get found on IGTV. I could decide to add it to story here and post a preview to the Instagram feed, which I typically turn on. And then just like that, I could press post on top and it's gonna post it to IGTV. That's the way to do it on the phone here. You could do the same thing with the IGTV app, which is a separate app from Instagram. If you've never used that app, it's pretty interesting if you just use Instagram for IGTV. I definitely recommend you try it out. And it's another free app from Instagram. Let's jump in and use Instagram Creator Studio on the computer. So I typically post IGTV videos from this place. This is called Facebook Creator Studio, which is this icon, but Instagram Creator Studio is in the same platform. So you could click the link in the description to come here. And on this page, I just have to log into my Instagram account and go over here to create post, click it, and it lets me do IGTV post here if I press this drop down instead of feed. So I'm gonna do that. And this is very straightforward. You could upload your file. And the main reason I do this on the computer is because I typically make my IGTV videos using an editing software from a computer. So I need to do it this way. I could go file upload. Then I could go ahead and upload my video, give it a title and description, again, same thing as mobile, and my cover image is over here, so I could select this option. And typically from a computer, I do a custom upload and I add my image here. Again, that needs to be 9:16 instead of the traditional thumbnails you may want to make for Instagram feed that are more square. So I create that, I add it here, or I could choose it from the video frame as well. Auto-generated ones lets me choose it from the video, but it doesn't work in this case based on the size of my video. For vertical videos, it does work well. And you could read more about IGTV requirements. I've mentioned some of them, but you could read more about it on this page. I'll put this in the link in the description as well. And I usually share to the feed too. I want to show up on the Instagram feed. And if you're connected to Facebook on Instagram, you could even share it to Facebook all in one shot. And then down here, you have this little arrow where you could schedule this for a later date or publish it right now or save it as draft. And it's that simple to post IGTV videos on your computer. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.